Hi friends, you are with me, Dr. Rajesh Sekharan, and in this video, I'm going to give you insights on how journals are accepted and removed from Scopus. If you are a first timer to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that when I post my next video, you will get immediate notification. Come, let's get started. First of all, you need to know what is Scopus. Very simple thing, it is a database. It's a large pool of database owned by Elsevier, a big publishing company. And Elsevier is solely responsible for the content selection policy of Scopus. So they decide which journal to be added, which one to be removed, and they have a policy. Before that, you need to know what are the total things available in the Scopus database. It is 1.7 billion cited references dating back to 1970. It is available. 17 million author profiles are there. 80,000 affiliation profiles, that is university institutional profiles, are available. 7,000 plus publisher details are there. 25,751 plus serial titles, that is journal title or content titles, are there. 234,000 plus books are indexed in Scopus. So all these things are available in the Scopus database. From there only we'll select. But one important thing, Scopus will not have the full paper. It will have only abstract available. Remaining thing, you have to click it and you have to go to their parent website to access the full paper. But citation and further details will be available. Now come to the point, how a journal is added into a Scopus. Added as well as removed from the Scopus. So it is done by this what you call CSAB. You can see CSAB, there is a board called Independent Advice, even though it's owned by Elsevier, but Elsevier will take a decision based on CSAB, that is Scopus Content Selection and Advisory Board. That is a board which is independently operating with the experts, so they will analyze the journal and they'll give the recommendation for even to add the new journal as well as to remove the existing journal because of the poor quality. And but Elsevier and the CSAB, they have reserved the right to change the decisions in case they accept. Suddenly also they can remove if they don't follow the quality. And in the newly added journals to Scopus in the last 4 months, in Jan 21 they have added 87 new journals. Feb it is 109, March it is 93, April, that is latest last month, they have added 138 new journals. I'll be giving you all those journals after this. I'll open and show you the list of all these journals. And the journals removed from Scopus as of April 21, they have removed 678 journals. And the conference series, it's not a journal, it's a separate conference series. 6 conference series also discontinued from the Scopus. Now, let me take you to the list of added journals. I'll show you the entire list. Come, we'll go to the separate Excel sheet. See, here is the list of discontinued titles in the status as of April 2021. You can see that the entire, there are almost, you can see the entire list of almost 678 journals. 672, almost 672 journals have been removed from the Scopus. And if you look at these things, you can understand why they remove it. Look at that, for example, this is the journal name, ABB Review, and here is the publisher name. The reason it is under radar means actually it is under the inspection. And but still they have not improved, so they have removed. And in that case, up to which issue the journal paper has been in coverage in the processed in the coverage, mean indexed in the Scopus database. That is, this ABB review has been indexed up to 2018, up to issue 4, page number 76 to 77. Not 76 to 77. This is the total number of pages they normally have per issue. So it has been covered up to 2018. For example, look at this one particular journal, Advanced Studies in Contemporary Mathematics, and has been removed only into 2020. But sorry, not removed 2020. It is removed now, and the coverage is up to 2020. Look at there. In previously also I have told wrongly because all these journal removed now, that is in April 21. But these are the final coverage years. That is ABP review covered up to 2018. And this one up to 20, and look at the another one even up to 2021. This is Intelligent Systems and Computing, Springer Business and Media BV. And publication concern means the publication are not up to the mark. And these are the various reasons. Publication concerns mean they are not following the standard set by the Scopus. And the metrics means their journal metric, that is ranking and other things, are not up to the expected quality. And radar means it's under the supervision, but still they have not improved. And you can see that most of the journal will be removed based on these three grounds, either radar and publication concern and metrics. That's it. And here you can see that how many page range. Look at there. For example, this journal. Look at the page number. Almost 1 lakh plus pages they had. So obviously they could have been absolutely predatory journal. So they have removed. So please have a look at all the list. And before you submit a paper, please kindly check. Let me give the link of. This is available in the Scopus website. Let me give the link in the description box. Otherwise, you can mail me. Let me send you. And please always have a look at this list and decide whether you want to publish or not. This is one thing. Then this is also important. Conference series. These 6 conference series also they have discontinued. For the EPJ Web of Conferences, IOP conference series is a very, most of the people, they largely published in the IOP conference series in the recent times, within the last 6 month time. That has been removed. Please do not submit paper here afterwards. And MATEC Web of Conference, Transaction Biomedicine, and all these 6 conference series also have been removed from the Scopus. So please be cautious when you send a paper to this journal and be careful. And let me show you the accepted titles now. That is a newly added journal. And look at there here. The April 21 alone. Look at there. Almost 100 and let me show you up to April. Here you can see that 139 journals have been newly added in the Scopus. In case if you want to publish in Scopus, if you target these journals, because they have been added, newly added, so they may probably your chance of getting published may be high. The reason is they are newly added, but the quality they would maintain. They may give preference to the quality compared to the top journals. Getting into these journals may be a bit easy for you. And here this list also gives you completely. Every month they are adding new journal in the March, Feb and Jan, and the other last year also they have given complete details. So please keep a note on these newly added journal. If you want to publish, you can target this newly added journal, and please make sure that you are not submitting any paper to the removed journal and the removed conference series. Guys, I 100% hope that this particular video could have helped you to understand how the journal is added and what are the journals removed, what are the journals are newly added, what are the removed conferences you have understood, and this will help you to stay away from predatory journals, stay away from the removed journal, so that you will not waste your time and energy to submit the paper into the what you call a predatory journal. Okay guys, I guess this definitely would be a useful video to you, and if you find it useful, please share it to your friends, because let them know it, so that this is the very, very important information for them also. And do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel also. Hit the bell icon so that when I post my next video, you will get immediate notification. With this, let me stop, and I'll catch you in the next video with some other title. Bye-bye. Thank you.